In Easter's fierce rising, a republic was declared. Defeated in battle, with few souls to be spared, they lined up the leaders and shot them all dead. But the volleys that murdered awoke the living instead. So we buried our dead and learned from the loss. On December 18th, we showed who was boss. Not with rifles and bullets, but with ballots and pens. We voted out Parliament with our own to ascend. They gathered in Dublin in the Mansion House light, constituted Dáil Éireann and asserted our right. For peace to the world we sent message in hand, a sovereign republic on Irish native land. They called it illegal and sent the black and tans, a horde of paid thugs unfit to call men, to murder and terrorize, to gun people down. But they scattered like curs when we stood our ground. And defense became duty where democracy led. In ambush and boycott our mandate was fed. Volunteers, rifles guarded the state we designed. A crown's writ means nothing to a people's strong mind. Then bargains in London with oaths to the crown split the sovereign republic before it was grown. They fractured our future with a pen and a threat, and brothers fought brothers for a treaty of debt. A free state ascended, not the republic proclaimed, and this false state continues right up to this day. Check badges and symbols, they're borrowed designs. It's a hand-me-down suit from the empire's own line. January 21st comes, the day passes by. No bank holiday granted, no flags raised on high. But a right isn't lost just because it's ignored. It's still there waiting as our people's reward. They think it's all settled with their historical act. Union Jacks over Belfast don't make it fact. A passport's color doesn't measure our nation. January 21st is our nation's foundation. So cast off this dominion in mind and in speech. Our republic's a practice, not just history to teach. And answer the Dáil that first dared to convene and finish the work of 1916.